Hello, my name is Cody Koch. Welcome to the channel where I talk about investing, trading, and business concepts. Now, this channel is for those who are looking for new opportunities to invest money or looking to learn new concepts, strategies, or techniques that might help them in their financial life or business life. Some examples of things we post on this channel would be videos about recent investment opportunities I found, videos about strategies that I think you would find very useful, or videos about concepts that I think you may find very enlightening. Now, I created this channel because I love talking about this stuff, I love teaching what I've learned, and I wanted to share it with you. As for me and my background, I'm an investor, business owner, and managing partner of Iron Oak Capital, which is a partnership of investors who seek solid returns through the acquisition of strong businesses. You can learn more about that at ironoakcapitalpartners.com. Now, I've been personally investing and trading actively for about 25 years, and I'm very passionate about it. I have a lot of experience investing and trading in a wide variety of assets, for example, publicly traded stocks, precious metals, raw land real estate, currencies, including cryptocurrency, and my personal favorite is business acquisition. I was also a trader for a hedge fund, and about 10 years ago, I successfully started an e-commerce business that I still manage to this day. It's for all this experience that I believe I can bring a lot to you that you may find very interesting. Typically, I post a new video every week, so if all of this sounds very interesting, click that subscribe button so you can see new content as it becomes available, and I thank you for watching.